to today's vlog. We're actually going to be doing a whole lot in this one. We are going to be changing my current steering wheel to my NRG quick release in the Scion Tc, along with many different interior designs that we're going to be updating or sprucing up or anything of that nature. So I'm glad that you guys are here and follow us along. See one here, and I think it should be on the other side. Okay. All right, we'll see.
That side's loose. Just need to twist this one off a little more.
Okay. It's getting there.
We're just making sure we're doing this the right way.
Right.
So no one gets injured.
Make sure your battery is fully detached when doing this. You don't want the airbag to blow.
That side's coming off.
Yeah. Oh, there she is. Oh my god. Wow, babe. Nice.
Okay.
I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that now that it's off.
Always keep these. Don't throw them away, because if you ever, and you might not ever.
Yeah.
But if you ever need to sell the car, you have all the parts.
Oh, okay.
But if you also wanted to put it at its factory state, you still have all the parts.
Okay. So basically I need to collect a box.
Yeah.
Put it in a box somewhere. Okay.
Wait a minute.
It's locked?
Yeah, it's like it ain't budging, like, really.
I'm stressed. Or trying not to stress out, but running into these problems can be stressful. We took everything off, we took the bolts off, we unscrewed everything, and it's still locked. It just doesn't want to pop off the base, so. There it is. There she is.
It is important that the nut is on there.
Yeah.
When you do hit it. Otherwise, you take that nut off and you try to hit it, it's not gonna move.
It's not gonna come off, yeah. Right. There's 2 bolts on the side to take off the clock spring before you pull it. Okay, so now it's just about attaching the horn to the quick release and then putting it on.
It's supposed to be like that kind. Yeah.
It is, yeah.
He just don't have them.
Alright, you guys, so it actually is the next day. I didn't finish closing out the video of yesterday, but we actually finished, and this is what it looks like. I'm in love, you guys. I really love this. Like, way better than what I thought it would be. So if you guys want to keep up with my Scion TC and the build that's coming soon, I also have a certain video that you guys have been waiting on for a while now. I'm gonna hint at it. It has something to do with the wheels. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me for more, and check out my Instagram. See you guys.